Okay, sige, sino muna? Si ano na, Christine. Christine. Yung iba, yung iba, while
Ikaw na, Brian, nakalis mo.
Sir, si
ah,
Christine Walker.
habang nag-speaking si Christine, yung iba, makinig kayo sa answers niya. Tapos, try to answer also the same question sa isip nyo. Baka kasi the same question yung makuha nyo sa actual let. So, makakuha kayo ng ideas sa answers ng mga kasama nyo. Okay? O, Christine, ready ka na? Wala ka ng choice. Ikaw na. Don't forget to answer in 4 or more sentences. Basta sumagot lang kayo. Don't worry about the grammar. Okay? Don't worry about the grammar. Christine? Yung iba, mute mo na. Brian, mute mo na para hindi maingay kasi si Christine mag-speaking. Alright, let's start. Nanood naman kayo ng mga videos na speaking. Sa YouTube ko. Dapat nanood kayo doon para alam nyo kung paano gawin yung speaking. Okay, let's start. Si Christine muna ha. Yung iba, mute muna. Makinig kayo sa answers ni Christine para makakuha kayo ng ideas. Okay?
Mag-leave muna kayo, mag-leave.
Okay. Alright. What's your name, please?
Alright, hi, my name is Christine. Christine Pasena, sorry. Sir, pwede ulit.
Okay, take two.
Okay.
Take two. Take two. Okay. Can I have your name, please?
Alright, my name is Christine Pasena.
Kulang. Hindi ka nga napanood.
Oh, sir, kasi
Ano
busy.
videos
May
ng
event kasi
speaking.
kami.
Patay.
Hindi ko na
Don't forget, ha? Sabi ko nga, answer in 4 or more sentences. Isang sentence lang yun. Diba? Lahat ng questions, always answer in 4 or more sentences. Dapat related lang sa question. Okay? Related lang sa question ng answer. Ulitin natin, ha?
Ay, sir, hindi ako prepared, sir, eh. Pwede, Brian.
Si Brian muna, Brian. Nanood ka, Brian, no? Si Brian muna, sige. Kasi nanood to si
Ikaw
Brian,
nga
si
muna,
Brian
Brian.
muna. Okay.
Sir, PJ daw mo, sir.
Para makuha ng idea si Christine. Okay, Brian, let's start. Okay. What's your name, please?
I am Brian G. Balad, or you can call me Brian for my nickname. I don't know where my mom get that name, but I'm still thankful because Brian is nice name for me.
Okay. And where are you from?
I came from the country of Philippines, from the municipality of Etchage, province of Isabela. In this country, we celebrate yearly the Bacau or Corn Festival, and also located the part of the longest river in the Philippines, also known as Cagayan River.
Okay. Okay. And what do you do?
I am currently working as chicken butcher in Seymour Supermarket, and every day I'll display the whole carcass of chicken into the chicken showcase. And after that, there's more customer to buy our product. And
Okay, that's good. That's good. All right, let's move on and talk about music. What music do you like?
For me, my music my favorite music is a love song, because love song is it's like stress reliever for me, and if I play the song, it's like I'm relaxed.
Okay. What music do you dislike?
For me, the music that I dislike is Ilocano song, because Ilocano is, I cannot understand that kind of language, and
Okay. What's the most popular type of music where you live?
For me, the popular music that I like to play is God Gave Me You,
Mhm, mhm.
because that song is our theme song of my wife.
Okay. Which musician or singer would you like to see in person?
Um, maybe exactly. Maybe Mariah Carey, because she's my favorite singer and Hollywood superstar.
Okay, okay. Do you play a musical instrument?
To be honest, I cannot play musical instrument because I have no idea for that.
Okay. Do you think it's better to listen to live music or recordings?
For me, it's better to write, because sir, pwede pa ulit, sir?
Do you think it's better to listen to live music or recordings?
It depends to the situation, because if there's a
Mhm.
time to go watching for the live music, but
Mhm. Okay. All right. Naintindihan mo ng question. Gusto mo ba daw dun sa live music or sa recordings? Live music meaning mga concerts, ganon.
yes, sir.
Mga concerts yun, live music or recordings pa lang daw. All right, so let's move on to part 2 of our speaking test. I'll share my screen. I'll give you 1 minute to prepare. You can write notes if you like. Okay, after 1 minute, you need to talk about the topic for 2 minutes, okay? This will be your topic. The rest of you, think of an answer for the same topic. You might have the same topic in the actual test. Okay, here you go. That's your topic. Your 1 minute starts now.
Skype.
Okay, your 1 minute's up. So I won't be sharing the screen anymore. There we go. Remember, you have 2 minutes to talk and you can start.
Okay. That movie is that called is Viva Max because that movie is there's a sexual or it's like not for not able to watch for children or yeah. Because of the wala talaga sir. Pero practice muna ako sir. Wala talaga. Sorry.
Ha?
Practice muna ako sir.
Nagpa-practice na tayo. Okay.
Wala pa sa practice sir.
Nagpa-practice na tayo. Nagpa-practice na tayo.
Wala
Okay,
pa sa
sige.
practice, sir.
Alright. Sige, sige. O si ano na, si Christina. Christine, ha? O.
Alright.
Answer in 4 or more
Sige.
sentences, okay? 4 or more sentences. Alright.
Basahin ko muna yung question, sir, right? Okay, sige.
Ano ba yung question?
Oh. I mean yung ano, then,
Let's start ha.
Okay,
Alright,
sir. So,
makinig muna ha. Brian, makinig ha. So, manood ka ng videos ng speaking.
Sige
Manood
sir.
ka ng videos ng speaking. Okay, let's start. Christine, what's your name, please?
first one. Hi, my name is Christine. My nickname is Agatha. Well, it's not related, but it came from the author named Christy Agatha. But you can also call me Teen.
Okay, and where are you from?
Yet I am from Davao City, which is located in Tagum. It's actually a north part of Davao region.
Okay, and what do you do?
All right. Currently, I am working as a waiter here in Saudi Arabia, and I've been here working for like a year and a half, and been planning to extend for another year, maybe.
All right. Let's move on to part 1 of our speaking test. Okay, first let's talk about jewelry. Do you often wear jewelry?
It depends, sir. Mostly on daily basis. Yes, I do wear jewelry, but on work, no, I don't use because
Mhm.
it's sometimes prohibited because we do like serving food. So yes, it's just I use it on daily basis, but not on work.
Okay. What type of jewelry do you like? What type of jewelry do you like?
All right, I like jewelry which is gold, of course, sir. Because aside from it's good to wear, and because it's hypoallergenic, because I'm allergic to like silver or anything, so I choose gold. And aside from that, you can use this as an investment as well.
Okay. Do you usually buy jewelry?
Yes, sir. I usually buy jewelries. I collect especially a necklace and rings.
Okay. Let's talk about chocolate. Do you like eating chocolate?
Yes, sir. I do like eating chocolate. Most specifically dark chocolates. But I don't like the white chocolate or like the ones with the caramel, because it's like too sweet. I like dark chocolate because it's not too sweet, and I like the bitter taste of it. It
Okay.
complements well the sweetness.
All right. How often do you eat chocolate?
Especially after eating, sir. I use that as a dessert. I eat chocolate, and I do have this, many variants of chocolate I stock in the fridge. So every time I crave for it, I don't have to go anywhere to buy some.
Okay. So why do you think chocolate is popular around the world?
aside from chocolate is one of the, what do we call it? Stress reliever for some people.
Mhm.
And also it's like, for me, it's a happy pill. Sometimes when I'm really tired, I eat chocolate. Also, like ice cream with the chocolate like flavors. And yeah, I think chocolate is, that's why it's popular, because um it's give people, sometimes energy, especially when you're hungry. You can have a chocolate in your bag.
Mhm. Okay. Okay. Let's move on to part 2 of our speaking test. I'll share my screen. I'll give you 1 minute to prepare. You can write notes if you like. After 1 minute, you need to talk about the topic for 2 minutes, okay? The rest of you, think of an answer for the same topic. You might have the same topic in the actual test. All right, Christine, your 1 minute starts now. All right, your 1 minute's up. So I won't be sharing the screen anymore. Okay, there you go. Remember, you have 2 minutes to talk and you can start.
All right. So the idea, the perfect home or a dream house for me, I believe, sir, we all do like concrete house. It's like maybe what do you call this? Concrete with live in an urban place. But I think it's more ideal to live on a province. Yeah, with a simple lifestyle. And I think um, And I want to get my dream house, especially on our province, on Davao City, because I think it's very safe there and very clean, of course. And next is, sorry, ano nga ulit yun? First, pangalawa, hindi ko na-list. Nalimutan ko. Where, sorry, nawala ako.
I still have 1 minute.
All right. I would like to make it look like ancient, like in our province or in Davao, it's very common to have this like bamboo wooden house. And I think it's a very practical, because um the materials is less expensive, less expensive, and especially in our weather there, I think it's much convenient. And also I would like to live there as soon as I get as soon as after I finish my work. I was actually having our house started as of the moment. And I think it will be finished for like after 2 years from now. So I think I will be able to live there, yeah, after my contract here together with my. And I think it will be very convenient for us, since um it was near on the supermarkets and the, what I call this, all the facilities are near at the place that we building our I'm building my dream house.
Mhm. Okay, that's already
And
2 minutes. All right.
ang hirap.
More practice, more practice. More practice. Halata, hindi kayo sanay mag-speaking test. Hindi kayo nanonood ng mga videos. Dapat dire-diretso. But with that speaking test, you can probably get maybe 5.5. Okay, 5.5 to 6. Konting practice pa ha.
Not enough. Okay, sir.
Apektuhan kasi yung fluency. Pag ganun kasi, apektuhan yung
Mm.
fluency nyo. Diba? Paputol-putol o nag-iisip pa kayo kung anong sasabihin. Dapat dire-diretso lang. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, hindi kailangan totoo. Pwede kayong gumawa ng kwento lang. Mag-isip lang kayo, gawa kayo ng kwento. Hindi kailangan totoo dito kasi nga English test kasi to. Hindi naman to honesty test. Okay, hindi to honesty test. English test to. Alright, good job. Pasado na yon. Okay, practice pa para tumaas pa ha. Tumaas pa. Practice.
Kakaya.
Practice. Nood ka ng mga speaking videos. Okay, next.
Yes, sir. Nag-busy.
Ryan. 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 Yan. Okay.
Anda, sir.
Sige, practice. Kailangan mag-practice. Paano tayo makakapasok? Hindi tayo magpa-practice, di ba? Alright, let's start. What's your name, please?
My name is Ryan De La Rosa, 40 years old, came from Luna, La Union, the province where
Pag ganon ha, kung napansin mo kanina, si Brian, tsaka si Christine, pag tanong ko ng what's your name, tungkol lang sa name ang sagot. Pag sumagot ka ng age mo o yung lugar mo, hindi siya related sa question. Kasi yung question kasi, name mo lang. So dapat yung sagot mo, tungkol lang sa name mo. What's your name? What's your nickname? Who gave you your name? What do your friends call you? Mga ganun lang. Regarding lang sa name mo. Kung napansin mo si Brian tsaka si Christine, tungkol lang sa name ang sagot. Okay? Kasi yun ang question. Alright, again, what's your name please?
My name is Ryan De La Rosa. My nickname is Ryan, and my friends call me the same name as Ryan.
Okay, and where are you from?
From La Union, Philippines. And wala, sir. Hindi ko ma-answer.
Describe your city. Pag ganyan, where are you from? So describe your city.
Province of La Union, where the watchtower is located. Some tourist destination.
Okay, and what do you do?
For now, I'm doing business, selling products in an online store.
All right. Let's move on to part 1 of our speaking test. Okay. First, let's talk about snacks. What snacks do you like to eat?
The snacks I like to eat is the chips. Brand name is Chippy, Jack Angel, and almost of my family is like that snacks. Also my children.
Okay. Did you often eat snacks when you were young?
Yes, sir. I will oftenly eat snacks like that, sir.
Do you think it's healthy for you to eat snacks?
Well, for now, sir, I realize that it's not healthy to your health, sir. And I'm beginning to I'm beginning not eating anymore, sir.
Okay. All right. When do you usually eat snacks now?
I usually eat the snacks, sir, when I'm doing stressful work while I'm resting. I eat the snacks.
Okay. Let's move on to part 2 of our speaking test. I'll share my screen. I'll give you 1 minute to prepare. After 1 minute, you need to talk about the topic for 2 minutes, okay? The rest of you, think of an answer for the same topic. All right, there you go. That's your topic? Your 1 minute starts now. Now you can write notes if you like. Okay, your 1 minute's up. So I won't be sharing the screen anymore. Okay, there you go. Remember, you have 2 minutes to talk. And you can start.
I buy some stuff in the online store. I like the thing. I like that stuff, and I buy it. And I thought it's it's real. But when the parcel is they give to me it's not the same I see in the pictures. I feel I am discouraged and anger. I want to return and refund my money.
Okay, you still have 1 minute.
Wala, sir. Wala akong maisip, sir.
Oh, kulang, hindi kayo nanonood ng video na speaking eh. Sabi ko sa inyo, manood ka ng video, di ba? Oh, kita nyo anong resulta pag hindi kayo nanonood ng mga videos na speaking. Oh, bubusan kayo ng ideas. Di ba? Oh, gawa lang kayo ng kwento tungkol sa topic. Pag ganyan, gawa lang kayo ng kwento. Kaya mas magandang manood kayo ng videos na speaking para makakuha kayo ng mga ideas. Okay?
Ay,
Oh,
sir.
bago kayo mag-take ng test, manood kayo ng mga videos na speaking. Naku po, ha? Pwede naman yung pwede ka makapasa pa rin doon ba, pero mababa siguro mga 4.5. Okay, 4.5 to 5. Mababa pa rin 'yun, pero pasado naman, pero mababa. Okay, o practice talaga, practice. All right, next. Si ano na si Jay, Jay? Jay, bakit naka-off cam si Jay? Anong ginagawa nito ni Jay? Jay, anong ginagawa mo, Jay? Wala, naka-mute pa. O, si Randolph na lang. Randolph, ikaw na Randolph. Wala si Jay eh. O, ready na Randolph?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's start. All right. What's your name, please?
I'm Randolph P. Canoy, and since I am the oldest grandson, so my grandparents give my name, and my family used to call my nickname Randy, and while my friends called my family name, which is Canoy.
Okay. And where are you from?
I came from the northern part of Mindanao here in the Philippines, specifically the province of Lanao del Norte at the municipality of Lala. And our town is one of the most progressive town here in our place. And we celebrated at least once a year what we call this crowd festival. And there's a lot of people who visited here every March.
Okay. Okay. And what do you do?
As of now, I have a small business, and also I'm also I'm a sales representative.
All right. Okay, that's good. Let's move on to part 1 of our speaking test. Let's talk about t-shirt. Would you buy t-shirts as souvenirs on vacation?
T-shirt. Yes. I used to buy T-shirts when I go other places because uh it's a sign of souvenir. Sometimes I also bought T-shirt from other place to give my family also.
Okay. Do you like wearing t-shirts?
Yes, I like to wear t-shirts because it feels me comfortable every time I'm going out, and I really used to wear t-shirts, and that's
Okay. Do you like to wear t-shirts with pictures or prints or plain t-shirts?
I rather choose plain t-shirt because I really don't like t-shirt that have printed pictures or text, and I rather choose plain t-shirt because it feels me comfortable, and uh, it's very, it's light to wear.
Okay. Okay. Do you think older people who wear t-shirts are fashionable?
Yes, because there's a lot. I can saw some, very what you call this. There's a lot of businessmen that they're just wearing t-shirts, and I admire them because they're just showing simplicity just by wearing t-shirt.
Okay. Okay. Let's talk about fast food. What do you have for breakfast?
Sir, pardon.
What do you have for breakfast?
Breakfast. Basically I really don't eat rice at breakfast. I use just to have coffee and just a bread,
Okay. Do you eat fast food?
sir.
Do you eat fast food?
Yes, I sometimes I eat fast food. Like for example, when I when we go out, we used to eat at Jollibee, and also sometimes at the Mang Inasal.
Okay, that's cool. Let's move on to part 2 of our speaking test. Right. I'll share my screen. I'll give you 1 minute to prepare. After 1 minute, you need to talk about the topic for 2 minutes, okay? The rest of you, think of an answer for the same topic. All right, there you go. That's your topic, and your 1 minute starts now. All right, your 1 minute's up. So I won't be sharing the screen anymore. Okay, there you go. Remember, you have 2 minutes to talk, and you can start.
Um, I saw at the television about advertisement about um, the ESF right now here in the Philippines. It is a very, very known this disease in the
Mhm.
swine, and it is about swine that is very, it's like virus in the people. Now there is no vaccine, and and they're just only showing on um how to manage how to take good care and how to avoid. But I feel I don't like what the advertised, because they did not came any, any solution about it. Because right now, I last year it is very the supply of the pork here is very low, because there's a lot of pig has been died because of the disease. And right now, this is already is also causing death. Just recently here in uh neighbor neighboring town here in our place, is there's a lot of pig that has been killed, because it uh it has been tested positive again about the virus. And it's really, devastating. And I feel uh very angry, because the government did not did not give any solution about it. There's a lot of farmer who is suffering. And a lot of businessmen also get failure about the disease. And hopefully the government will take action of it, because it is very alarming, because the bear month is coming, uh season is coming. So you know, Filipino is really like to eat pork. And
Okay, okay. All right. That's good. That's good. Okay, good job. Good job. Oh, pasado na yun. We wish probably nasa 5.5 to 6.0 na yung score na yun. Okay, good job. Oh. Test mo ngayong 14, no?
yes, sir.
Ang speaking mo una or huli ang speaking?
Actually, wala pa sila nag-email
Email?
sila sa quarter.
Hmm.
3 days before sa exam pa daw sila mga tagumpuan.
Oo. So wala pang schedule sa
Maybe
email.
next week. By
Next
Monday
week pa.
siguro, sir.
Oh, sige. Okay, sige. Good, good. All right, next, Jay. Ikaw na,
Yes, sir.
Jay. Oh, ready na ha? Oh, nakinig ka naman kanina. Nakinig ka naman kanina.
Apa.
Baka kung ano nung pinagagawa mo dyan. All right, let's start. All right. What's your name, please?
Baka hindi ko na rin masagot niya. Yes, sir.
Jay
My
lang to.
name is
Hmm.
my name is JG Binalay.
Mhm.
I'm 33 years old. My name is 3 letters only. That's why easy to remember.
Okay, and where are you from?
I came from Etiquette, Isabela, Philippines. The northern part of Luzon is the only town here in Isabela to celebrate the Bengal festival, and the meaning of this festival is fighter.
Okay, okay. And what do you do?
Currently, sir, I'm working as a butcher at Seymour here in our town. I started working last 2016 until present, sir.
Okay, that's great. Let's move on to part 1 of our speaking test. First, let's talk about technology. What technology do you often use? Computers or cell phones? What technology do you often use?
Honestly, sir,
Computers or cell phones?
cell phone,
Mhm.
cell phone, sir. Cell phone because uh, easy to easy to use, sir. And at the at cell phone, sir, cell phone at cell phone, you see uh, you see a you can use the Facebook Messenger like that, sir.
Mhm. Okay, okay. So what electronic devices have you bought lately?
Electronic device.
Mhm.
Lastly, sir, I bought electronic device.
What electronic device have you bought lately? Gadget, electronic device, gadget.
Okay, sir. Di I bought my ano sir, my new CP sir because last my last lastly my old cell phone sir is already damaged sir.
Okay.
Yeah sir.
Is there any technology you want to buy?
Yes sir, like portable computer sir. If
Mhm.
if we have a lot of money, I bought that device here for my child for my son sir to use to use that for her her study.
Okay, that's great. Is there any technology you don't like?
I don't like technology sir like technology.
Hmm.
Yes sir, like a Game Boy gadget because if I bought that one sir usually my son is uh my son is ah
Huh?
my son is to use that a long day sir.
Okay, all right. Let's move on to part 2 of our speaking test. Okay. I'll share my
Yan
screen.
na.
I'll give you 1 minute to prepare. After 1 minute,
Sir.
you need to talk about the topic for 2 minutes. Okay.
Sir.
This will be your topic. The rest
Fitness.
of you, think of an answer for the same topic. Or you can write notes if you like. There you go. That's your topic, and your 1 minute
Actor
starts
or
now. All right, your 1 minute's up. So I won't be sharing the screen anymore. There you go. Remember, you have 2 minutes to talk and you can start.
The actor that I admire, sir, Fernando Po Jr., sir, because the movie, uh, all the movie that I that's good, and also and also that movie is true to life,
Mhm.
just like the movie that the title is Batang Quiapo. The that that movie is so so very nice for me. That's why all 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 the movie of FPJ is that's why admire for me. That's all, sir.
All right, all right.
Practice, sir.
Practice ha, nood ka ng videos ng speaking ha.
Awa,
O,
awa.
hindi ka naman babagsak doon. Siguro pero mababa pa rin ha, mga 4.5 siguro or most likely mga 4.5.
Awa,
Okay, so practice pa ha.
awa, sir.
Alright,
Medyo sa susunod siguro mawalan na yung sir.
mawala ng
Nervyos.
sagot. Mawala ng nervyos. Okay, kala ko mawala ng sagot. Alright. Last, si Nelly. Si Nelly kasi taga Israel si Nelly. Oh, pero magte-take na siya rin ng test eh. Nelly, hindi yata
Po, sir.
Naka-speaking ka, Nelly?
Opo, lumabas po ako, sir.
Lumabas ka. Okay, sige, lumabas.
Try po.
Sige. Try. Sige, try tayo ha. Let's start. Nelly, ready na?
Teka lang po, sir. Kuha lang po akong tablet.
Sige.
Okay po, sir.
Okay na, ready ka na.
Apo.
Alright, let's start. What's your name, please?
Sir, exit na, sir. Exit.
Sige, pwede na, Jay. Sige, Jay.
Sige po. Thank you, sir.
Okay, sige.
May pasok pa kasi bukas, sir.
Sige. Alright, Nelly, what's your name, please?
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. My name is Maria Nelia Corazon Realeza.
Mhm.
Maria is came from our Virgin Mary. Nelia is just given, and Corazon is meaning of Corazon is love, and Realeza is my family name.
Okay.
My family and friends, they call me Nel.
Alright. And where are you from?
I born in province of Piliu, Laguna, but I grew up in Siniloan, which is known one of the tourist spot because of the beautiful waterfalls in our country.
Alright. And what do you do?
As of now, I am working here as a caregiver in Israel for almost 2 years and a half. I'm taking care of elderly and helping her to for daily livings like bathing, feeding, cleaning the house, ironing, and help her to walk too.
Okay. Let's move on to part 1 of our speaking test. First, let's talk about social media. Do you or your friends like using social media?
Yes, sir. Because social media
when you don't have something to do, when you go to social media, like for example, like Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, you will enjoy watching, and then you forget the time is almost when you're watching, you forget the time. The time is
Mhm.
like you think it's only 5 minutes, but you take already almost 3 hours, 4 hours just watching only.
Okay, okay. Do you think or your friends use too much social media?
I think yes, but because
Mm.
when I use sometimes social media, my friend is I always saw my friend there, and like in a TikTok, or like I told before, it's like TikTok, and they like dancing, dancing. A lot of people I saw they dancing, and they enjoy what they doing,
Mm-mm.
and some is sharing what they daily livings, what they doing. Like for example, like here in Israel, they do some vlogs. My friends do some vlogs,
Mm.
and
Okay, okay, that's great. That's great.
um,
Do you want to work in social media?
um, for me, sir, no, I
Mm.
don't want to work in the social media. Um, if you will work, you will be addicted, but I don't like to work in the social media, sir. I'm sorry.
Okay,
I
okay,
don't
all
like to
right.
work in social media.
What's the most popular social media in your country?
In my country,
Mm.
mm, sir, as I think, even in my country and even other country is as TikTok
Mm-hmm.
and Facebook is the most almost all over the world, not only here. It's almost all over the world. They use always
Mm-hmm.
yeah, yeah, as the same TikTok, Facebook. They're like it's almost habit.
Mm-hmm.
Most of the
Ah,
people is like almost habits, sir.
okay,
Like
okay.
um,
All right. Let's move on to part 2 of our
sir,
speaking
kabado pa
test.
rin ako.
Okay, let's move on to part 2 of our speaking test. I'll share my screen. I'll give you 1 minute to prepare. After 1 minute, you need to talk about the topic for 2 minutes, okay? Or the rest of you, think of an answer for the same topic. A very common topic. All right, Nelly, your 1 minute starts now. You can write notes if you like. One minute preparation time. All right, your 1 minute's up. So I won't be sharing the screen anymore. Okay, there you go. Remember, you have 2 minutes to talk and you can start.
um, the the piece that the technology that I bought difficultly to use is a iPhone, sir. my
Mhm.
iPhone.
Mhm.
I brought it last year. I brought it in Elart here in Israel because my old phone is already broken, so I need to buy a new one to communicate to my family. It's a very useful. It's a different to use than ordinary phone like smartphone, like other phone like Oppo, Samsung. It's a very difficult to use, and it's a not friendly use because a lot of things that you can share to other phone, like only iPhone to iPhone, and even the application you can't download like what you want to download because
Mhm.
they only accept only a few things. Sometimes they are not allowed to download the application that you want to download, and even it's hard to use or difficult to use. It's okay because it's still useful for me and helpful for me, and I'm very happy because when I take a picture, it's the
Mhm.
quality picture, sir. So for me, it's a when I take a picture, it's good. Like they they make me beautiful, and the quality of picture is very nicer than other iPhone or other phone. It's that's the reason why that's the reason why I buy iPhone 2 because
Mhm.
it's a good quality of picture.
Okay, all right. All right. That's already 2
Even it's
minutes.
a difficult to use, they have an
Mhm.
advantage too.
Okay, okay. All right.
Pero sir,
Medyo practice pa ha, practice pa.
kabado pa rin po ako, sir.
Oo, hindi ka naman babagsak doon.
Opo.
Hindi ka naman babagsak. Most likely nasa 5.0 'yun, pero mababa pa rin siya. Okay? 5.0 pasado naman siya pero
Opo, sir.
mababa, konting practice pa ha. Sa speaking dapat yung fluency
Mababa
kasi
pa rin.
dapat dire-diretso
Opo.
siya eh. Okay, dire-diretso. Tatandaan nyo, sa speaking test, hindi kailangan totoo. Pwede kayong gumawa ng kwento. Kasi pag nag-iisip pa kayo kung anong totoo, talagang mahihirapan kayo kasi nag-iisip pa kayo kung ano sasabihin nyo next. Ano bang nangyari next? Ano bang nangyari doon? O, di ba? Isipin nyo pa. Eh, kung gumawa lang kayo ng
Opo.
kwento, mas mabilis. O, practice pa ha. Hindi kayo
Mm.
nanonood ng mga videos na speaking
Opo.
eh. Puro kayo kalokohan eh.
Ay, sir,
Ha? Oo.
di ba yung isa pong nag-mock test ngayon, isa rin yung yung nakita ko din siya sa ano mo nung nakaraan. Katulad ko
Sino?
din po na nag-aano sa'yo.
Ah, ito si,
Ito po sinundan ko yata.
Oo, ano
Yung sa
yun sa
14
akin.
po mag-exam.
Oo. Nag-mock test.
Parehas po.
Kasali niya siya ngayon. Oo. Nasali ko rin siya ngayon.
Opo.
Ayan, nag-send ako ng link ng YouTube ko. Manood kayo ng mga speaking dyan, ha?
Nanonood nga po ako,
Speaking
sir.
dyan.
May nakita ko ang galing. Straight sila. Grabe.
Oo, may mga magagaling talaga. Yung mga taga Israel, taga dyan. Mga magagaling yung iba dyan.
Opo, sir.
Panoorin yung mga
Gagaling.
speaking
Kasi
nila.
naano sila yung mga amo nila kasi English eh. Tapos
Oo.
magagaling pa
Ito,
mag-English.
send ko
Ang
sa
amo
iyo yung
kasi hirap mag-English din eh.
Send ko sa iyo yung link ng mga magagaling dyan, mag-speaking. Yan, sinend ko yung mga
Opo.
link. Panoorin niyo yan, ha? Yung sinend ko. Magagaling yan sila
Opo,
mag-speaking.
sir.
Mga taga-Israel yan sila. Okay? O, sige. So, konting practice pa.
Okay po,
Nag-send
sir.
ako ng homework. Listening tsaka reading. Okay, nag-send ako ng homework. Nelly, Randolph, tsaka sa inyo lahat. Nag-send ako ng homework, listening tsaka
Opo.
reading. So, mag-practicean nyo yan. Okay? Tapos, pag nakabook na kayo ng test, i-message nyo ako para at least alam ko kung kailan yung test nyo. Mapasali ko pa kayo sa mga mock test ko. Kagaya ni Nelly tsaka ni
Sir,
Randolph.
malapit na po ako.
Kailan yung sa'yo, Nelly?
15.
15, o. Si
15
Randolph sa
po,
14.
sir.
Oh,
13
so,
na
Kaya
ako
nga po.
speaking, sir.
13 speaking mo, may schedule na binigay.
Then, pagka sa 13 na
14
dahil
ang
ang
ano. Oh, yan. Sige, so gawin nyo lang yung mga homework na binibigay ko. Okay? Pagkatapos niya, send nyo sa akin yung answers. Alright?
Okay po,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Message nyo ako ha pag
Thank you
nakabook
po,
na
sir.
kayo,
Thank you so much
Brian.
po, sir.
Oo, sige. Pag
Thank you,
nakabook
sir.
na kayo,
God bless.
Ryan,
God
tsaka
bless.
Christine, message nyo ako. Alright? Sige.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you po,
Kaya
sir.
nyo na yan.
Out na po.
Okay, sige. Alright, you have a good day, guys. You
Thank
have a
you
good
po,
day.
sir.
Okay, sige. Bye-bye, bye-bye.
Sir, thank you.
Okay, bye-bye, bye-bye. Okay.